on YouTube? It's your boy, DaRetroWizKid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. I hope everybody has had a great day. It is Thursday, man, and y'all already know I tweeted out I would be getting this box in today. I am super excited because this is my second unboxing of 2019, but my first official pickup of 2019, y'all. And I am so glad to share it with you all. This is a shoe that I really wanted. You know, I struck out on it last year because I was in the process of moving. So with that, you know, I had to pay resale for it. It is what it is, man. But I'm so glad to add this to the collection. And hey, if y'all new to the channel, you know what time it is. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell for your boy, DaRetroWizKid, and join the Sneaker Dungeon family. We are on that race to 10K. And we ain't no Tay-K, you feel me? Hey, I love each and every one of y'all. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And with that being said, let's try to get this video up to 50 likes. Hit it, slack it, whatever it is that you do, just make sure you do what you do at your best. Because at the end of the day, y'all, when you give your best, man, that's all that counts, man. Always giving your best at whatever it is that you do in life. With that being said, drop a comment below and let me know if y'all picked these up, man, because I know a lot of people got these. When both of these shoes came out, this was the little bit more limited one. So let's get straight to it. Unboxing, and y'all already know, man, I got my girl Gerber Shouty. You know what I'm saying? Vintage, I already know you're gonna be cracking on me about Gerber Shouty, but it's cool. You know why I got the Gerber. We know why we got the Gerbers. You know, leave me alone, bruh. Leave me alone. Shout out my bro, the Vintage, man. Now, y'all, as y'all see, I opened it from the bottom. Let's go ahead and flip that thing open. Oh, the top came off. Hold up, strap. All right, y'all. You see it. Retro 1 box, man. And y'all already know. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Hey. Oh, yes, Lord. Smell test approved by your boy, DaRetroWizKid. Y'all knew y'all was getting that smell test. It's the damn ones. It's my favorite shoe. It's the damn ones. Come on, man. Y'all know I'm smelling them ones, man. I mean, what else did y'all expect? Well, y'all already know, man. This came over from StockX, man. I picked this up on January 1st, so a couple, like, you know, give or take a couple days, you know, get it. StockX official shit. Y'all already know how that shit go. We ain't gonna run through that no more. But y'all, which one do you think it is? Gosh, man, I love that smell, man. Here y'all go. Here y'all go. Here you go. Purple things, man. Y'all already know, man. I am stupid excited to have these in the collection, y'all. Y'all already know we're gonna get a little close up on these things, man, because I really want to look at these and just talk about a little bit how I feel like they compare to the bread toes, man, because between these, the pine greens and the bread toes, a lot of the Jordans, the ones that came out last year, were extra fuego, but y'all already know, man, we are going to give these that fuego. Fire flame. Y'all already know they're getting that fuego action, man. These things are fuego, y'all. Now let's go ahead. Let's take a dive, a look-see at the close-up of these things. Get in! Diving in court purple things, man. These things are extra fire, man. You know, you got that purple bottom, kind of got that sail hit to it. I really like how they did these, man. I really want to add the pine greens to the collection as well. I know y'all have already seen these shoes. That's why I'm not going to harp on it. I'm just giving you guys retro perspective on them. I do like the toe box on them. I do feel like, I honestly think that maybe, just maybe, in my opinion, I think the bread toe might have got these when it comes to this. I don't know, man. You know, everybody's pairs are a little bit different. You know, let's check out that insole, see what the insole was looking like. Okay, it's that white insole, nothing special, just a white insole with the purple Nike Air in the inside. And I did go with my true size 11 in these. We got the verified extra set of purple laces. I won't wear the purple laces. Y'all know I rarely ever switch out my shoes. This is just a very dope shoe, man. I love the colorway. It matches the Colorado Rockies hat, or if you're a Baltimore Ravens fan, I could understand why you'd want to get this shoe. But for me, it's a very dope shoe. I like purple. I feel like the shoe would go great. Like I said, Colorado Rocky's dad hat would go fire. I'm talking about fire flame with this shit, man. These things, man, I'm just so glad that I decided to pull the trigger on these. And StockX, you know, StockX has been doing me some great justice, man. Y'all let me know how y'all felt about how high on the list would y'all give these in quality, and how high on the list would y'all put them in all the retro ones that dropped last year, because there was a lot of retro ones that came out. I personally, you know, this was one that I couldn't pass up. You know, there's other shoes that I could have got. I could have got the Unions or something like that, but sometimes, you know, I feel like buying a shoe that costs that much, sometimes I just feel like I'd rather get like 3 or 4 of the shoes that I wanted and missed out on. So I mean, just a dope shoe, man. You got the purple, you got the black right there, man. It's just stupid, man. I thought that the tongue, I really wish that they had I really wish that they would go with the tongue, sort of like on the Stars Born and on the Rookie of the Years. I would like to see that tongue more on retro ones. That's just me. I feel like that leather quality just goes perfect with how the shoes are being constructed now, with the craftsmanship of the shoe. I think that it would be great to have that on all of them. But I mean, I'll give this one a 10 out of 10. I feel like there's no glue stains really on this pair that I got. I love how, you know, I love how that tumbles right there, man. And this is a shoe that I really wanted, y'all. I started to get this shoe when I came back to the States in October when I was at SneakerCon Atlanta, but I just passed on it, and I was just like, yo, you know, you're gonna pick them up, Retro. You're gonna pick them up. Then when I went to Houston, I was gonna grab them, but I didn't grab them. And, you know, for the first shoe to pick up of 2019, I really don't think that you can go wrong with these. Y'all let me know below what y'all think about these. How do y'all rank these in the retro ones that dropped last year? And did you cop, you know? So let me know that, y'all. All right, y'all, so there y'all have it, the court purples, y'all. Finally added these to my collection. First pickup of 2019, second unboxing of 2019. We still got a lot more heat coming. We about to be switching it up a little bit on y'all, man. I told y'all, man, I got some surprises in 2019 for y'all. One thing that I didn't ask is, I really want to get y'all's opinion. How do y'all feel about the sale on like all the Jordans now? How they put sale on like every Jordan. They don't use white anymore. They use that sale. Me personally, I think I really don't care. But it's just really weird. Sometimes some shoes could look better if they were just white, and sometimes the sale actually sets it off. But y'all let me know down below how y'all feel about that sale as well. And y'all already know what time it is, man. We gonna spin them pictures for y'all, because that's what we do over here after every, you know, review and all that. We spin them damn pictures, man. So, man, with that being said, y'all, if y'all new to the channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I always say it like 3 times, 4 times for y'all. I don't know why, but we on the race to 10K, y'all. I appreciate all the love and support. Follow me on Instagram at DaRetroWizKid, on Twitter at Wiz_retro. I do follow back, and I'm getting better at posting on Twitter, y'all. So if y'all follow me on Twitter, y'all see I'm starting to trying to turn that up on Twitter, y'all. And y'all go like my page on Facebook, DaRetroWizKid, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Get in! Yeah.